Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to my channel and welcome again to another episode DJI Fly application. So in this video I'm gonna demonstrate and show you how you can reset all your data on your drone and formatting or your SD card using the DJI Fly application. So for this you're gonna need your drone, any drone you have, your SD controller, any of them. I'm gonna demonstrate on my DJI RCN controller, and also you're gonna need an Android if you're using DJI RCN controller. So let's have a look. I'm gonna switch on my drone. I'm gonna switch on my DJI RC controller as well. So let's connect the DJI RC controller with the drone. So for some reason it's charging my phone. It's a bit funny. Okay, so transfer files. Usually it opens automatically, as you can see here. It's already open for me. So all you have to do is really easy and simple. You just click on Go Fly. Now from here, what you have to do, just click on them three dots in the corner. So you're gonna have to go on the camera, and as you can see here, you can format your SD card from the drone. I usually formatting my SD card from my computer, but in your case, maybe you want to delete some files or all files, and all you have to do is just click SD card format, and now you can choose what you want to format. You want to format the internal storage or the SD card. So basically you choose the SD card and click format, and that's it. Also, if you want to reset all the camera parameters, you just click reset, and everything what you've done, basically any custom adjustments to your camera settings will be reset to default settings. So yes guys, I think that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please do ask them below. I will try to reply back as soon as possible. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in next episode. See you.